Dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are quite well with all of your family members by the grace of Almighty. I am quite well. After a long time, I get an opportunity to meet with you, though it is through ICT, which was not possible 4 or 5 years ago. Now it is possible because Bangladesh is getting digitalized day by day. As a result, all of you know, today's world is going on a very disastrous way because of an unknown virus which is named coronavirus or COVID-19. It affects all the sectors of life, but I think which sector is almost badly hampered by it is education sector. But our government is taking some steps to continue the study in our country through ICT. Though it is quite expensive and quite complex, but we are trying to make it easy. Dear students, today our lesson is English first paper class 9 and 10, and it is unit 12 lesson 1. Dear students, please take your book, and I hope you will participate with me with a lot of concentration. Please take your book and read the passage with me. Sorry, my dear students, there was a slight mistake. It is unit 12 lesson, not 1, it is a lesson 2. Please open your book. Moinul Islam is a qualified farmer in Naugaon. Dear students, look at the book. Moinul Islam is a qualified farmer in Naugaon. মইনুল ইসলাম নওগাঁর একজন শিক্ষিত কৃষক। Dear students, in our country it is a general belief that those who are farmer is quite illiterate. But look at the book. Here the first line is Moinul Islam is a qualified farmer in Naugaon. Qualified, the meaning of qualified is shikkito, but it is a general perception in our country. Those who are farmer are generally illiterate, but the difference between general farmer and Moinul Islam is Moinul Islam is a qualified farmer. Moinul Islam একজন শিক্ষিত কৃষক। It is quite strange. Mr. Islam was very brilliant as a student. It is also quite strange. A brilliant student in our country, it is a general belief that a brilliant student must be either a doctor or an engineer. But look at the book. Though Mr. Islam was brilliant, he took the job of a farmer. Mr. Islam was very brilliant as a student. জনাব ইসলাম একজন ছাত্র হিসেবে খুবই মেধাবী ছিল। He took his higher education from Bangladesh Agriculture University in Moymonshing. সে তার উচ্চশিক্ষা গ্রহণ করেছিল বাংলাদেশ কৃষি বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় ময়মনসিংহ থেকে। Dear students, I give an information to you. Bangladesh Agriculture University is a specialized university for the students, especially for those who are science students. It is a university which gives graduate degree especially on agriculture based subjects. It is quite good university in Bangladesh. Look, though Mr. Moinul Islam was a student of Bangladesh Agriculture University, he easily might be an agriculturist or a government officer, but he took the job of a farmer. He then came back home. সে তারপর তার গ্রামে ফিরে আসেন and started advanced farming. এবং উন্নত পদ্ধতির কৃষিকাজ শুরু করেন। He has two other brothers. তার আরো দুই ভাই রয়েছে who are graduates in different disciplines. যারা ভিন্ন বিষয়ে স্নাতক। The speciality of the Islam family is that ইসলাম পরিবারের বিশেষত্ব হচ্ছে এই যে they all are living in their village. তারা সবাই তাদের গ্রামে বাস করে and all are renowned in their own fields. এবং তারা তাদের নিজ নিজ ক্ষেত্রে বিখ্যাত। Mr. Islam's younger brother, জনাব ইসলামের ছোট ভাই, who is a Russia University graduate, যে রাজশাহী বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের একজন স্নাতক, is a science teacher, একজন বিজ্ঞানের শিক্ষক in a local school, স্থানীয় একটা বিদ্যালয়ের একজন বিজ্ঞানের শিক্ষক। His youngest brother, তার কনিষ্ঠ ভ্রাতা, তার সর্বকনিষ্ঠ ভাই, is a social science graduate, সমাজ বিজ্ঞানে একজন স্নাতক, who likes to start a local NGO, যে একটা স্থানীয় বেসরকারি প্রতিষ্ঠান শুরু করতে আগ্রহী, to work for this area, যা এই এলাকার জন্য কাজ করবে। When asked, যখন জিজ্ঞাসা করা হয়, what makes you decide to stay here in this village? এই গ্রামে বাস করতে কোন বিষয়টা আপনাদেরকে অনুপ্রাণিত করেছিল? Mr. Islam smiled and said, জনাব ইসলাম হাসেন এবং বলেন, look, দেখুন, it is true that, এটা সত্যি যে we could leave this village for city life, আমরা নাগরিক জীবন যাপনের জন্য এই গ্রামটা ত্যাগ করতে পারতাম। I could be banker, আমি একজন ব্যাংক কর্মকর্তা হতে পারতাম, or my brothers could be bureaucrats, অথবা আমার ভাইয়েরা সরকারি কর্মকর্তা হতে পারত। But it did not attract us, কিন্তু এটা আমাদেরকে আকর্ষণ করেনি। We are sons of the soil, আমরা এই মাটির সন্তান। Yes. হ্যাঁ, we have education. আমাদের শিক্ষা আছে। But does education prepare a person? কিন্তু শুধু শিক্ষা কি একজন ব্যক্তিকে প্রস্তুত করে only to be an officer? শুধুমাত্র একজন কর্মকর্তা হওয়ার জন্য? Don't we have any obligation to the soil that has made us what we are? এই মাটি যেটা আমাদেরকে তৈরি করেছে তার প্রতি কি আমাদের কোনো বাধ্যবাধকতা নেই, আমাদের কোনো দায়িত্ব নেই? He also added that, তিনি আরো যোগ করে বললেন যে not every educated individual should be a job seeker. প্রতিটা শিক্ষিত ব্যক্তি একজন চাকরি অন্বেষণকারী হওয়া উচিত নয়। He added that, তিনি আরো যোগ করলেন since his discipline was agriculture, যেহেতু তার পাঠের বিষয় ছিল কৃষি, after his education, তার শিক্ষার পরে he took the occupation of a farmer, সে একজন কৃষকের কাজ নিয়েছে। In response to a question whether they had any frustration living in a village, গ্রামে বসবাস করার জন্য তাদের কি কোনো হতাশা রয়েছে, এই প্রশ্নের উত্তরে তিনি বলেন he confirmed that, তিনি নিশ্চিত করেন যে they are indeed, তারা প্রকৃতপক্ষেই very pleased with their life, তাদের জীবন নিয়ে সন্তুষ্ট। he said, তিনি বলেন I work in my own farm, আমি আমার নিজের খামারে কাজ করি, stay with my family members, আমার পরিবারের সদস্যদের সাথে বাস করি, first time with my old friends, আমার আগের বন্ধুদের সাথে সময় কাটাই, and sleep at my own home, এবং আমার নিজের বাড়িতে আমি ঘুমাই। all this count a lot, এই সমস্ত কিছুই আমার জন্য অনেক বড় পাওয়া। মিস্টার ইসলাম ইজ রাইট, জনাব ইসলাম সঠিক। Many people go to cities and forget or loosen their roots knowingly or unknowingly. অনেক মানুষ, অনেক ব্যক্তি শহরে চলে যায় এবং জানা মতে বা অজানা মতে তাদের শেকড়কে ভুলে যায় অথবা শেকড়ের সাথে সম্পর্ক বিচ্ছিন্ন হয়ে যায়। মিস্টার ইসলাম and his brothers are great, জনাব ইসলাম এবং তার ভাইয়েরা বিখ্যাত। they haven't forgotten their roots, তারা তাদের শেকড়ের কথা কখনোই ভুলে যায়নি। they not only stuck to their own roots, তারা শুধুমাত্র তাদের শেকড়কেই আঁকড়ে ধরেনি, they have been torch bearers for others to be respectful of their roots, তারা অন্যদেরকে তাদের শেকড়ের প্রতি শ্রদ্ধাশীল হওয়ার জন্য একটা পথপ্রদর্শক হিসেবেও প্রতিফলিত হয়েছে। My dear students, after completing our lesson, I want to say you that I want to give an information to you that look, the opportunity of a job, especially government job in our country, is very difficult. So when you will complete your higher education, you have a dream to get a good job, but it is a harsh reality in Bangladesh at present that the opportunity of service sector in Bangladesh is very difficult. It is quite impossible to get a government job, especially a government job is quite impossible. You must be extraordinary talent, and not only it is enough, but also there are a lot of things you need to acquire, to get a government job. Not only government job, it is quite difficult to get any kind of job in Bangladesh at present. So, I want all of you who will follow the life of Moinul Islam, because a few minutes ago I gave you an information that Bangladesh Agriculture University, Moymonsinh, is a very renowned university, not only in Bangladesh but also in Indian subcontinent. Though he is a student, he was a student of Agriculture University in Bangladesh, he did not run after government job. I hope all of you will follow his footsteps. I think in your village, if you do not manage a job, you may start any kind of agricultural jobs by following the lifestyle of Moinul Islam. Now, dear students, we start our lesson again. You already know from passage it will come 7 MCQ questions. It is sometimes it seems a little complex, but if you understand the passage clearly, I think it will not very difficult, it will not seem very difficult to you. But first you must clearly understand the passage. You must understand what is the topic of our passage. Now I start our job. Please look at the blackboard and cooperate with me, please. Please, dear students, look at the blackboard. According to Mr. Islam, Janab Islamer mote, dash should not be the only motto. Please look at the blackboard. Here the word I use, motto. It means, motto means uddeshyo, lokho. So, there should not be the only motto of education. শিক্ষার উদ্দেশ্য শুধুমাত্র কি হওয়া উচিত নয়। According to Mr. Islam, Mr. জনাব ইসলামের মতে বা জনাব ইসলামের অনুসারে, there should not be the only motto of education. শিক্ষার উদ্দেশ্য লক্ষ্য শুধুমাত্র কি হওয়া উচিত নয়। 1. Look, acquisition of knowledge. According to Mr. Islam, dash should not be the only motto of education. Number one, acquisition of knowledge. Acquisition, the meaning of the Bengali meaning of acquisition is অর্জন। শুধুমাত্র knowledge means জ্ঞান, শুধুমাত্র জ্ঞান অর্জনই নয়। To be aware of responsibilities, দায়িত্ব সম্পর্কে সচেতন হওয়া। To be aware, সচেতনতা। To be aware of responsibilities. Job seeking, চাকরি খোঁজা। Dear students, I think you find the answer. You can easily find the answer. তাহলে according to Mr. Islam, জনাব ইসলামের মতে dash should not be the motto of education. শুধুমাত্র কি করাটাই শিক্ষার উদ্দেশ্য নয়। So I think you can easily get your answer. You can easily find your answer. Acquisition of knowledge, to be aware of responsibilities, job seeking, and last of all, fellow feeling. Next question. Look at the blackboard. I think it is easy. It is an easy question. Moinul along with his brothers. Moinul along with his. That means তার ভাইদের সাথে along with that means সাথে Moinul along with his brothers. Moinul তার ভাইদের সাথে dash in a village. একটা গ্রামে কি করে? Moinul along with his brothers dash in a village. There is a slight grammatical work here. Look, there is a slight grammatical work here. Here the word, I use one word fame. I use a little grammatical work here. Moinul along with his brothers dash in a village. Number 1, live. Number 2, work. Number 3, studies. Number 4, lives. Look, here I use live and here I use leaves. So there is a little grammatical work here. You must use live or lives by using the rules of grammar. Moinul along with his brothers, Moinul তার ভাইদের সাথে dash in a village. You must look at the subject, then by using the rules of tense you have to use live or lives. Number 3, dear students, here there are some vocabulary work. You have to know the meaning of some critical word here. Look, Moinul and his brothers are Moinul এবং তার ভাইয়েরা are dash with their personal life. What is the meaning of personal life? Personal life means ব্যক্তিগত জীবন. So the Bengali meaning of the sentence is Moinul and his brothers, Moinul এবং তার ভাইয়েরা are dash with their personal life. Are dash তাদের ব্যক্তিগত জীবন নিয়ে কি ছিল? Look at the blackboard. Here are some vocabulary. Here are some complex word. Number 1, frustrated. The meaning of frustrated is হতাশ, হতাশাগ্রস্ত. Number 2, dissatisfied. The Bengali meaning of dissatisfied is অসন্তুষ্ট. Number 3, satisfied. The Bengali meaning of satisfied is সন্তুষ্ট. And the last of all, annoyed. It means বিরক্ত হওয়া. So you should know which word is appropriate here. Look, Moinul and his brothers are dash with their personal life. Moinul এবং তার ভাইরা তাদের ব্যক্তিগত জীবন নিয়ে কি ছিল? I think after reading this passage, all of you can easily understand Moinul and his brothers were what? Moinul এবং তার ভাইরা কি ছিল? If it is frustrated, যদি এটা frustrated হতাশাগ্রস্ত হয় তাহলে হতাশাগ্রস্ত frustrated দিবে. If it is dissatisfied, এটা যদি অসন্তুষ্ট অসন্তুষ্ট. If it is satisfied and if it is annoyed, you should use the perfect word. I think you can easily identify which word is appropriate here. Frustrated, dissatisfied, satisfied or annoyed. I am saying again the Bengali meaning: frustrated, হতাশাগ্রস্ত, dissatisfied, অসন্তুষ্ট, satisfied, সন্তুষ্ট, and last of all, annoyed, বিরক্ত. Dear students, look at the question number 4D. I think it is a creative question because the answer given here is almost same, because after I read the question you clearly understand what I want to say. Look, which quality of Moinul describe him best in the passage? Which quality? কোন গুণাবলীটা of Moinul? মইনুলের কোন গুণাবলীটা describe him best in the passage? এই অনুচ্ছেদের মধ্যে তাকে সবচাইতে ভালোভাবে উত্তমভাবে বর্ণনা করতে পারে. Look, I say it is a creative question. In a creative question, especially MCQ, the both answer may seem same to you. Number one, he is a graduate. তিনি একজন স্নাতক. It is true. He is a graduate. He is a graduate from Bangladesh Agriculture University, Moymonshing. তাহলে it is true. He is an educated farmer. It is also true. তিনি একজন শিক্ষিত কৃষক. 3. He does not like conventional jobs. তিনি প্রথাগত চাকরি, প্রথাগত পেশা পছন্দ করতেন না. It is also true. If he likes conventional jobs, he does not take the profession of farmer. He does not take the profession of farming. If he likes conventional jobs, so it is also true. He does not like conventional jobs. Last number, he shows responsibility to his root. তিনি তার শিকড়ের প্রতি দায়িত্ব প্রদর্শন করেছিলেন. Dear students, look, both the sentence, all the sentence are correct here, but in the question, if you look minutely, concentrately, here I use the word best. So from the 4 answer, you should use the best quality. So this is, all of these are normal quality, but this is the extraordinary quality of Mr. Moinul Islam, because though he is an extraordinary talent and he is a university graduate, he lives in village to show responsibility to his root. So I think you can easily understand why I say it is a creative question. In a creative question, the both answer may seem to you same, but you must answer which one is best. So this is a tough question, because he is a graduate, it is also right. He is an educated farmer, it is also right. But the best answer, you should use the best answer. Now we must write another question because our time is short. Look, it is quite easy questions. I think it is quite easy question. You can easily get 1 number here. Moinul's younger brother. Look, I use here younger, not youngest brother, because the Moinuls have 2 brothers, So one is younger and another is youngest. Moinul's younger brother graduated from dash. মইনুলের ছোট ভাই কোন জায়গা থেকে স্নাতক ডিগ্রি অর্জন করেছিলেন? গ্রাজুয়েট, স্নাতক ডিগ্রি অর্জন করা। নাম্বার 1 এগ্রিকালচার ইউনিভার্সিটি, কৃষি বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়। নাম্বার 2 রাজশাহী ইউনিভার্সিটি, রাজশাহী বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়। নাম্বার 3 ঢাকা ইউনিভার্সিটি, ঢাকা বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়। লাস্ট অফ অল রাজশাহী কলেজ, রাজশাহী মহাবিদ্যালয়। So you can easily answer the questions. I think it is not a complex question. Here it is also a creative question. People forget their roots. There was a line in the passage we discussed. People forget their roots knowingly or unknowingly. মানুষ তাদের শেকড়কে ভুলে যায় জানা মতে বা অজানা মতে। What does root mean here? এখানে root শব্দটা বলতে কি বোঝানো হয়েছে? Dear students, do you know what is root? Generally, we know trees have roots. Trees have roots. But our today's lesson is not trees root. It is human roots. The difference between trees root and human roots is trees root is visible and human roots is invisible. So here root means number 1 countryside, গ্রাম এলাকা। number 2 lower portions of trees, গাছের নিম্নের অংশ, lower portion, নিম্নের ভাগ, নিম্নাঙ্গ, গাছের নিম্নাঙ্গ। number 3 place of birth and its surrounding, জন্মস্থান, জন্মভূমি, জন্মস্থান এবং এর চারপাশ, where you born and its surroundings, and last of all world heritage, বিশ্ব ঐতিহ্য। So you can easily answer if you understand the passage. What is root? What the writers use root here? Last question you should concentrate with me. Here there are some complex word. Moinul started dash farming. Moinul শুরু করেছিল কি ধরনের কৃষিকাজ? In his village, তা গ্রামে কি ধরনের কৃষিকাজ শুরু করেছিল মইনুল? মডার্ন উন্নত কৃষিকাজ শুরু করেছিল উন্নত পদ্ধতির না ট্রেডিশনাল ঐতিহ্যবাহী অর আউটডেটেড মানদাত্তা আমলের কৃষিকাজ অর কনভেনশনাল প্রচলিত which most of our farmers use conventional or modern or traditional or outdated. The Bengali meaning of these words are modern means উন্নত আধুনিক modern means আধুনিক 2 traditional প্রচলিত number 3 outdated মানদাত্তা আমলের and last of all conventional প্রচলিত. So dear students, we finish our number 1 job which is MCQ question. Now I want to give you some homework and it is answer to the question number 2. It will come 4 questions. It will come 5 questions. Sorry, 5 questions. Now please write. Okay, dear students, our time is short. So if I take another class, then I will first give you 5 questions from this passage, and then I will discuss another passage. So thanks for all today, but before finishing I want to say you something. Please dear students, though the education sector is almost close nowadays, but please, to acquire knowledge, to become a great human being, to get not only examination preparation but also to become a knowledgeable person, you must continue your study. But it is a harsh reality in our country that the education system is service based. It is not knowledge based. So I hope from our today lesson all of you should follow the life of Moinul and his 2 brothers. I think it will surely help your future life. Thank you. I wish you a peaceful life and a decent life. Thank you today.